Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Chugani. Today I'm going to talk about natural disasters and water crisis and cyber crime. Natural disaster kills an average of 60,000 people every year, what is 0.1% of global population. This is just these numbers just vary year to year, and these are just a number recorded. What about the number? What about the people who are not recorded by any country or any government or any other agencies? Could be in lakhs of people who dies due to natural disasters. Natural disasters like hurricane, earthquake, tsunami, etc. not only cost life but also cost crores and billions of money of the government and of the public only. People lose their loved ones, lose their family, even and get a setback for their life. And these natural disasters are not natural anyway. These are the karma what we are humans are facing, what we did to our mother earth from last 2 to 3 centuries. We are cutting down the trees for getting goods for our benefits. We are manufacturing goods from the nature supplies and etc. And after all that, we are also deploying all the waste into the water, in water, like in rivers and in seas, which pollutes it. And because as water is also important as oxygen for us, because a human body is made up of 70% of water. A human a human being dies within 7 days if he doesn't drink water, and in 15 days if he doesn't eat anything. And after knowing that essentiality of water, that how essential it is for life and for other purposes, if I talk about the whole earth, 97% of earth is of water, and within 3% comes under drinking water, and that 2% is of glacier, and 1% is drinking water for around 8 billion people in the world. And what we do, we waste it, we pollute it, and after that we say that yes, people are earning money from selling water. This is just water, but yes, they are earning because we are wasting it, because mother earth has enough of water supply if we use it properly. Water is as essential as oxygen, as I already mentioned over here. Coming forward to cyber crime, as world is evolving and moving towards technology and artificial intelligence, it's easy to get any task done, and it's as much as easy to do a crime and get saved from it. Because a person who has a good knowledge in hacking and other stuffs during doing in doing with technology, can get saved after committing a murder online as well. If I see the reports of NCRB, according to 2018, there are 27,270 cases registered, and many are unsolved yet. These are cases of online harassment, identity theft, stalking, and etc. By these of the crimes, people are getting saved just because of their knowledge, and they are getting help from the other services as well. Because as evolving in this country do have many issues and have a bit not good uh, cyber policing thing. But yes, as believing in this country, that yes, it might help and it will grow and solve these cases as soon as possible, because these cases and these crimes are impacting on people's mind, and people are trying to suicide, and many of them have committed suicide as well according to the reports. And these are the only factors which is leading to the question mark to the existence of human being, not only natural but a man-made. People are dying naturally, like from hurricane, flood, earthquake, etc. People are dying from the man-made crimes as well, man done by man, like harassment, sexual harassment, uh, online stalking, online bullying, and etc. So it's a humble request to everyone to take care of yourself, take care of your mother earth and your family. Thank you.